Good morning. This is your host, Yanu Ademurua. Or quickly want to rush into this AMD a concept which you can easily, how you can easily trade using your weekly cycle. Yeah, we have the weekly cycle, we have the monthly cycles. We are approaching like for now we are approaching for monthly cycle we are approaching the end of the month, which is a new moon cycle. So, and price has been up, so we expect price to go from Monday to Monday. We expect price to start coming down from today close. Then Monday we expect. This is Euro US dollar. Yeah, 30-minute chart. We're on 30-minute chart. If you watch carefully, you see that this is Friday, right? Today is Friday. Thursday, we have separated this according to time zone. Then we have Wednesday, we have Tuesday, we have Monday. Then right from Monday, we already have this is how we started. Right on Monday, the price has made the high of the week on Monday. Price rally up. We have the week on Monday. Then from there, you start seeing a decline. You start seeing a decline from this is the high of the Monday that was initiated on Monday. The high of the week has been reached on Monday. Then therefore we are hoping that Tuesday will start giving us a drop, which happened here. Then this is Tuesday. It came upward, right? You have accumulation, manipulation of Asian. Then this high was taken out. The price makes a kind of reversal. There was a withdrawal here, so that gave us a sense of price manipulation. So you have to trade in the opposite of a price manipulation. Then a retest back to that end, which is to this place, gives you what we mean by this imbalance. And see this imbalance. At imbalance, here you have your this in the imbalance. You can see a retest of it. If I want to do more, I will put my Fibonacci to see this exactly at 70.5. Can you see this? 70.5 got that imbalance. I'm just giving you this clue. Very, 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 very workable clue. I'm not saying 100%, but at least it's highly probable. It's highly probable. Demonstrate, backtest it or demonstrate on it, yeah, and see the efficiency, how it works out. Yeah. So from there, we have seen price moving up because the high of the week has been initiated. If Tuesday pull upward and brought this, that means Tuesday created in the high of the week. So price will start going down because the high has been created. If you combine this 30-minute chart, right? If you combine this into a weekly, you are going to get something like this. Something like this. Something like this. Where price makes a push higher. Where price opens in a new week. That's purely AMD. This AMD for the week. If price opens here, and it's going to be, if the price is going to be for the week, if we're going to be selling, that means it will first move higher to create the high, then starts moving down. So once the high has been created, you see a manipulation of that high, then price will start distributing into the opposite, which is what it's doing right now from here on Tuesday. So high has been created. The high has been reached on Monday, so likely we'll see a big drop, which happens on Tuesday. This will be your confluence, the imbalance. Then at exactly I told you about the intraday sessions opening. Yeah, the London, which is the keynotes of the London and New York. So this is London opening at 8 a.m. GMT. So you got that reversal after a retest of this imbalance. This is imbalance, right? This imbalance. At the retest of imbalance at exactly 70.5 Fibonacci that I showed you, you started seeing a drop. So that will give you your sell. I'm just showing you first how to trade it. That's another thing, how to go to a lower time frame. Then they want to see, SH, BMS, and RTO, the AMD formula. I'm just giving you the setup first. The setup. I want you to master the setup first before you go to entry pattern. You can imagine throughout that the price delivered almost about on Euro years, almost about 127 pips. That's good enough because you have already got, if you were here and you got this on 30 minutes, you're going to go to your whole lower time frame on 5 minutes to see your SH, which is SH here, the BMS, RTO, return to other blocks. Then you started selling into the opposite of this manipulation. Exactly that, not the opening. So that gives you a key point. So then come to Wednesday, because we are focusing on weekly cycles. High has been created on Monday. So Monday and Tuesday created the impulse downward, right? So Wednesday, we are looking Wednesday to do what? Because when it is, we start the midweek reversal. You remember we midweek reversal. If you don't, go to my YouTube and watch the video on gold, on every other thing I did there. Midweek reversal is still effective on I've tried it on many currencies and gold is so effective on gold, Euro USD, pounds, Japanese yen, Euro JPY, very, very highly effective. And you can see that here on Wednesday, price moved down on Wednesday. Then before this place, what do we have here? We have this cycle. Can you see it? We have the cycle into this imbalance. This cycle. What is it? We have the cycle. Then it ends at this imbalance here. So let's put that. Then this happens at the reversal happens at 12 p.m. New York open, right? So Wednesday was FOMC news. FOMC news release. So price before the FOMC, price was doing what was ranging upward, right? So we have induction from the end of this Tuesday. So inductions then and a kind of manipulation downward. That is, to take out the previous day low. Yeah, so this creates what we have as accumulation. But we have this first as an internal AMD structure. We have this is accumulation. It's accumulated. The London high was taken out by New York. Then it created this pin bar like we had here on Tuesday, pin bar, the same pin bar here. So that's an accumulation. So we drop back inside. It gave us this thing, right? Because this place could not close above this side. It gave us an inspiration that this is that like we have here too. This place could not create a new higher high, could not close above this place. So this place become weakened. This place become weakened. This demand so becoming weak, a failed structure. So it will be taken out. So the same thing here, it will be taken out here too. As taking, you'll be looking at this previous day low to take out because we are in Wednesday midweek reversal. So once this place is taken out, what do you expect? Price will start moving into the opposite to distribute. So this now create the larger size of this AMD. So the internal structure has been maintained. So New York open distributed into London close. Yeah, London close. This happens around the 7 p.m. and 7 p.m. falls on what? On the FOMC new release, 7 p.m. FOMC on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday 27th of July. So you have FOMC. So price starts moving, start distributing after manipulation. You are going to trade in the opposite of manipulation. Once the manipulation leg is established, once this place has been taken out, the liquidity has been taken out of the previous day low. So we expect price, but you don't enter until when you see a reversal upward or a retest of it. So the news came in and got a retest of it. Then what happened? Start distributing. That means Wednesday has created the low of the week. That's why this price starts moving higher, because the low of the week has been already created on midweek. That midweek reversal has generated the low of the week by giving us this manipulation leg. The price starts moving higher. So this was where the FOMC came up. That is where we had the mistake of where we supposed to because the news came up at 0.25 higher than previous months, and US dollar supposed to be appreciated. But it's because that is the structure, but it followed the structure. So that's why we're telling you, it's not, don't trade the news, but rather we trade you trade the structure. So a lot of guys will still be expecting this place to pull downward. No, until I think I took this trade when I was on my phone on the prayer ground. I saw the light. I quickly, but until when I came in to open my system, that this is the structure. Wow, no wonder it was moving higher, just because of what? Because the low has been created, one, and again, this is a manipulation leg. So you don't expect price. It came down again to retest it, but you don't expect price to move anymore. It must go and fake out and fill the liquidity grab, then start selling to the news, probably the second day or thereabout. So you expect, this is what we expected. And it's happened on second day of Thursday. So because Wednesday has to reverse, has to be that weekly cycle now. Wednesday has to be a reversal. So it took up, then went higher to take up this into this zone. This is a strong demand zone. Say strong demand, supply zone. This place was a strong supply zone. Yeah. So, and you see price moving to that zone after clearing up the liquidity, filling up the liquidity zone of this place, then start clearing. And there was imbalance here, though, but price got it, it came down, but it started upward again. Because of what? Because it has to fulfill the cycle. It has to fill up this entire cycle. So that is that. Then once you see this price moving down, this is BMS, this is SH, this is RTO. Our formula is initiated. You quickly get to know that the price will fall on Thursday because of what? Because the upward liquidity void has been filled. So price will likely come down to fill up this gap again, fill this liquidity void, taking out this low, taking out this low, taking out this low. So that is weekly cycle. That is the weekly cycle has been initiated. So you expect price from Wednesday, the price will start moving higher, because Monday and Tuesday was a down impulse. So Wednesday will be a reversal of it. So let's go back to the previous one. See the previous. This is Friday. It was Friday. This is Thursday. This is Wednesday. Can you see this? So Monday and Tuesday has been what has been. Monday and Tuesday has been upward impulse, upward move, right? Then you quickly got a kind of sweep of liquidity here. So this AMD accumulation, manipulation of the previous Monday high. So then Tuesday starts descending down. Right? That's Tuesday. Sorry. trying to check if on the Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. So this is Wednesday, right? Yeah, it happened always. You can imagine Wednesday. This is Wednesday, right? This is Tuesday. This is Monday. This is a Friday, right? So that's, you can imagine on Wednesday, what do we have? Price move higher to take out the high of this thing, because the low has been created on the low of the week has been created on Monday. So price started moving higher, so that we have that week of that bullish. So when the low has been taken, you know that the price will likely going to give us an up close at the end of the week, which happened on Friday. Up close, price close higher above the opening price here of the week, beginning of the week. So that's the low was created on Monday, then the high initiated on Wednesday. The price start moving down till Friday. So that's how it is. Moving down on Friday. So if you go back, but it's always like that. It's always like that. This is Friday. This is Thursday. This is Wednesday. See it? See Wednesday. This Tuesday. This Monday. The high was created on Monday. Price started moving down. Then a kind of induction. Tuesday, Wednesday, a high was taken out on Tuesday. Then you have what? You have price moving down. Thursday, the high, then Friday. So that's how we got that weekly cycle initiated. So it's like that. So you must understand this cycle. Once it helps you. It's not an entry strategy, but it helps you to see the trend. Work with the trend, the trend direction very well. It helps you to get the trend direction and to see the market sentiment very well, so that you know where it went to. Once there's a manipulation or the AMD accumulation manipulation, then you know what you're going to trade next to what you're going to trade. So that is worth the basis of this thing. Then we're going to see now our next this thing. God bless you. We'll get this. See Euro JPY.